Alrighty. I'm making an executive decision. I'm looking at this car. Hold on, let me flip you guys. Welcome to the video, by the way. I'm looking at this car, and I really do love this car. I care about this car a lot. And, like, I don't know if all of you know the backstory to this car or not, but, like, my big brother gave me this car. My brother's ridden in this car through every step of the way. Whenever we do something new, he rides in the car. When we LS swapped it, he rode in the car. He's driven this car. I taught him how to drift in this car. I did my first competitive season with this car. It's got like full-on cage, tube rear quarter panels. Like, it looks like garbage right now, but like, it's a pretty decent car. I've already like pulled out all the subframe bushings. I'm getting ready to undercoat the subframe with spray-on undercoat. And I'm actually very like, I think I want to make this car nice. There's still gonna be some cheap components just because it is a budget build. That is our nice car. This is gonna be a more budget, but like nice car. It's gonna be decent components. I really just want a car that you can hop in and just drive. I want this thing to be stout. So I'm gonna take some time and really do this thing up nice. But we're gonna do it quick. So let's do it. This is a solid indication of what the inside looks like right now. It's kind of just a mess. So I'm gonna come through, clean it, pull some of that. I don't know if I'm gonna get into that wiring right now. We'll see. Alrighty, so we're back out in the shop today. We're gonna do a 2-day video. Tie rods and the power steering rack. I'm sorry, I got to working, but I went and pressure washed off one of my power steering racks, put it on here. Ooh, that should hold. I'm just kidding. All this stuff is just to roll the car around. Soon we're gonna be putting an angle kit on it. But yeah, all the factory stuff except for the coilovers is back on, ready to rock and roll. So that is nice. Next, what is it that we're doing? Oh, also real quick, subframe is painted, rubberized undercoating. All of the bushings were burnt out previously. I burned them all out like Sunday or something like that. So all those are done. I ordered all new bushings. I have brand new lower control arms, adjustable. I have the spring buckets, and I have axles and rear trailing arms. I also ordered new bushings for these. I have to buy one bushing that I'm missing down here. It's actually this one, the monoball one. So I have to order that. That's the only thing that's missing. And then once the bushings come in, I can slap those in, put all the parts on, and put it in the car, and then the car will officially be a roller. What we're doing today, as much as I want to leave it in there for simplicity's sake, there's a lot of garbage there that I don't need, so I'm probably gonna go through and I'm gonna strip all the wiring out and just redo the wiring. Not tonight, but strip everything out and then figure out where we are and what we need. And then we're gonna run with just bare minimum, literally bare minimum with this car. I want it to be as reliable as possible. All right, we're gonna get to doing the interior. Alrighty guys, unfortunately this is where I am going to end this video. We've gotten a lot done. I'm very happy with the progress, and I'm ready to see what we got going forward. We did the steering rack, we cleared out all of the, we did the steering shaft, cleared out all the wiring, added the throttle pedal, cleaned up in here, pressure cleaned the vehicle, got the front suspension on. I don't know if that's in this video, but got the front suspension on, the steering rack with the tie rods. It is somewhat aligned, at least to be able to roll around the shop. The rest of the shaft is there, as you can see. Cleaned up all the wiring that was in here. Did away with the rear brakes that we needed to do away with. We need to plug that though. So the shell is coming along great. We're making a lot of progress, and we did the subframe. So making a lot of progress. Very excited for what's to come. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the rest of the footage with this. See what motor we're gonna put in here, why we're gonna do that motor, and what we're gonna do to the motor. Very excited for the comeback of this vehicle. Please stay tuned. See you guys next time. Keep it sideways.